Hey everybody, it's Pam, and I have a new project for y'all today. These are inserts for the mini baskets. Now, there's quite a few here, and I'm not going to bore you by painting each and every one of them, but I am going to paint one with y'all, and then at the end of this video, you'll see where I painted them and put them in the little mini baskets so you can see what they look like. We're going to paint the Happy New Year one. Now, these are not available in my Etsy shop just yet. I ran out of time tonight of taking pictures, but I will get them in my Etsy shop in the next day or so. But there's quite a bit of them. There's one for every holiday, school, spring, you name it. There is an insert for it. And they go with the mini basket. So if you already have the mini basket, then all you need to do is get the inserts. Now you will be able to cherry pick the inserts. You can do one or whatever one you want, or you can get the whole set. Either way will work. You may only like one or two, or maybe just one, but I'll have them individually so you can buy them or purchase them one at a time, or you can get the whole collection. Either way, whatever is easier for you. But this one here, we did the Happy New Year, and I painted it gray using Gray Sky from Americana, and now I'm just using a black paintbrush with black paint and just kind of painting the lines that are on there that are scored on there. And it's like a disco ball, so I mean you could really go all out and make it look like a sparkly disco ball, or however you want to paint it. It's completely fine. You can make it your own, or you can paint it however I did. So I'm just doing the lines so that ball really stands out, and then I'm going to use just the sponge that I was using for the black and just go around the edges of it. And then I'll do some detailing on it once I get it glued down. Get all the words and stuff glued down. These are really cute. They look so good in the little mini basket, and I'm going to show you at the end. Perfect for your tier trays, or to put on your kitchen counter, or if you have a bar or a coffee bar, or if you're having a party and you want a little table decoration, they would be perfect for that. I'm going to put these little stars on there. And now I'm going to do just a little bit of detailing. They don't really need a whole lot since these are for the mini baskets, but just to kind of enough to make things kind of pop on your stuff, on your item, like with the letters and stuff. Just doing a little bit of lines, a few little dots, and it'll really make those letters pop so that they'll really stand out. These baskets, I love the little mini baskets or the larger basket. Like I said, you can do so much with them, and I have so many choices for them. So that turned out super cute. So now here's the mini basket, and I'm going to show you all the different inserts. And like I said, they're not available in my Etsy shop yet, but stay tuned. They'll be there in the next day or so. So make sure you're on my Etsy shop. You're following my shop so that you'll get notified when I list new things. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below or reach out to me. I'm always available. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. And stay tuned. I have a lot of great projects that are coming up that I'm super excited about. I just need to cut them, and we are going to paint them together. So enjoy, and thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.